My name is Nate Krampe. I'm the Vice President at Summit Investment Advisors, and I want to talk about the fourth quarter, basically recap, and kind of what we've seen. Now, this is what gives me hope going forward with the economy, the stock market, and all the things that we've been seeing over the course of the last even just couple of months is that guidance in corporate America has led the headlines, and strong fourth quarter numbers should basically not go unnoticed. Now, as we noted basically a month ago, earnings preview commentaries, everything that was coming out, there were a number of reasons to expect strong results, and that was including positive economic surprises. Second thing was strong manufacturing, and the weak dollar, resilient estimates heading into the reporting season. All of those were contributing to our thought process. And get this, corporate America did not disappoint us. There are several things that we wanted to highlight here. A couple of things are this. First of all, earnings and revenue growth continued to excel. Earnings came in at 15.3% and revenue at 8.2% growth year over year. Now this reached a 6-year high. Second thing that I wanted to make note of, the market has had 35 straight quarters in which the S&P 500 earnings beat consensus estimates. Another thing, 77% revenue beat is by far the best we have seen in over 10 years of available data. Next thing, the earnings beat that I just talked about, that 77%, this was solidly above the average of the current economic expansion, which generally was 70%. Now, last thing that we want to talk about is that a solid 10 out of 11 sectors in the S&P produced year-over-year earnings growth, and 9 of them were over 7%. So, all that to be said, this is why I'm positive about where we're going as an economy, and like I have talked about before, as goes the economy, so goes the stock market over time. And if we have growth happening in the economy, growth happens because companies are doing better and they have things that are making those companies better. And when you have a lot of companies around the country, that's how we can have and see economic growth, and that should over time translate into stock market growth. So with that, that's kind of the viewpoints that we talk about here, but do your own research. As you have questions, let me know. But more importantly, make sure that you are appropriately weighted for your age, your risk, and make sure that you're not taking on too much risk for where you want to be as an investor. Take care.